Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So in the previous class we covered some topic of chapter 2 Windows Movie Maker. Now we'll move ahead. The first topic for today is adding audio files. You can insert audio files to the clips or images to make the project more appealing. Windows Movie Maker allows you to record an audio from a microphone and use it as a narration in a video. On playing the movie, the audio files will be played in the background along with the other media. Windows Movie Maker supports a variety of audio or videos formats such as MP3, WMA and ASF. To add an audio file, follow these steps. Click on the Add Music button present on the Home tab in the Add group. The Add Music dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Import any file from the sample music folder in the music library. For example, sleepaway.mp3. Click on Open button. In the storyboard pane, you will see that there is a green bar at the bottom of clips and images, which indicates that the audio is imported as shown in the figure. Let's know more. You can record your own voice using a microphone and add it as a soundtrack to the video clip. This can be done by clicking on the Record Narration button present on the Home tab in the Add group. Let's know more. We can make the movie and music end at the same time using the Fit to Music option present on the Project tab in the Audio group. This automatically adjusts the duration of videos and photos as per music. Applying transitions. Transitions are applied to add visual effects to the movie. They are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of a movie. Transitions can be added between two images, video clips, or titles. The effect range from simple fades to complicated graphical animations. To apply transitions, follow these steps. Click on the Animations tab. The list of transitions is displayed in the Transition group. Click on the More drop-down arrow at the bottom right of the list, and the list expands into various categories like diagonals, dissolves, patterns and shapes, reveals, shatters, sweeps and curls, wipes, cinematic and contemporary. Click on a video clip or image and then select any transition. It will be applied to the beginning of that clip or image. To apply transition to all the clip and images in your project, click on Apply to All button present in the Transition group after selecting the transition. That is all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind.